Y'all, I am pretty disappointed that this feature on eBay is being taken away. It is the quality listing report. I will link a video up here of what it is and how to use it. They are taking it away in February 28th. If I were you, I would go pull the report now, and I would pull it again once or twice before they take it away. It is such a useful report. So what it does, I'm going to tell you in this video exactly what it does. This video goes in depth in how to use it because it is so much information. So if you really want to go in depth, check out that video. But today's video, I'm going to be sharing kind of what it is. And then I reached out to my contacts at eBay, and they told me exactly why they're getting rid of it and whether or not they're going to replace it. So the quality listing report, it looks at all of the categories that you sell in and compares your listing to the top 5% of sellers on top 5% sellers listings on eBay, and it helps you make your listings. It tells you exactly what you need to do to make quality listings, right? And it's going to help you become a better seller. So I'm super disappointed they're getting rid of it because it is such a helpful tool. I pull it once a month, even though most times in most categories I am one of the top like 1 or 2% for the listing, but every once in a while something will come in that'll show me, hey, I needed to do this, or it'll bring up something that maybe I forgot to do. It also looks at how your items are being sent to Google search, and so if they're being sent and they can get denied for certain reasons or not being shown in Google, it'll show you all of that. It has direct links to your listings to help you improve them. Friends, go run it right now. Like, I'm serious. I am so frustrated. I am going to link down below. I don't know what I'm going to link, but I think like maybe we should boycott it. Right? If we can show them. All right, so let me tell you why they're getting rid of it, and then we'll talk about a boycott. But so I reached out to my contacts at eBay and was like, oh, I'm so disappointed. If you guys follow me, you know that I spoke at eBay Open 2022 about tools and analytics, and the listing quality report was on my list in my presentation. It's one of the most useful tools that eBay provides for us. However, when I reached out to eBay, they said, this is me quoting it. I don't have the email with me to read directly, but this is me quoting it. But they essentially said it's always been beta. It's been a beta feature. Not everyone even has it, which I didn't know. So if you don't have it, sorry. But it's always been a beta feature to figure out, how to work, and, always in beta, give it access to some people. And they've decided that it's just not utilized enough. I don't know to what extent. I don't know if, that means only 5% of people that have it use it. What I'm wondering is was it just not educated enough? Do people just not know about it? Because if you watch my channel, comment down below, the amount of people that have told me that they're getting rid of it, the amount of people that have told me that they are so disappointed that they're getting rid of it is a pretty high amount. However, I tell people in almost every single video, or at least once a week, to be running this report. So I don't know if it's not utilized because it's not a good report, or it's not utilized because people simply don't know about it, and maybe we can do some education around it. eBay, if you're watching this video, or comment down below, friends. I don't know if you have contacts at eBay. If you have an eBay email, you can email them directly. You can email eBay for business, and if everybody maybe emails them and says, hey, I use this report so much, do not get rid of it. Now, are they replacing it? They said my contacts at eBay said that they didn't have a direct replacement at this time. They will be looking into what people liked about it and maybe coming out with something, but there was no definitive there will be a replacement. So go email eBay and tell them we want it back. If you guys like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video. I will link a playlist down here about eBay's tools and features. And then to support my content, make sure to like, save, share. You can join memberships, and then make sure to subscribe.